Learn digital marketing online, a complete roadmap for beginners. What if I told you that you could start your career in digital marketing today from the comfort of your home, without a college degree and with zero prior experience? And within months, be helping real businesses grow online or even start your own brand. In this step-by-step video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start learning digital marketing, covering each key area with clarity, practical advice, and beginner-friendly tools. So by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap and the confidence to take your very first step in this exciting industry. Before diving deep, it's crucial to understand what digital marketing really is. It's not just about posting on social media or running ads. It's a powerful strategy that uses online platforms, data, and technology to attract and retain customers, grow brand awareness, and drive business success in today's connected world. We'll explore how digital marketing differs from traditional marketing and why it offers greater flexibility, deeper customer insights, and a higher return on investment for small startups and global brands alike. Digital marketing is made up of multiple channels, and understanding each one is like learning a different instrument in an orchestra. All of them come together to create a beautiful performance. We'll cover search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click ads, PPC, content marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, and social media marketing, each with a clear example and how they work in the real world. Search engine optimization is about making your content easy to find and trusted by search engines like Google, which means showing up when someone searches for your product, service, or topic. You'll learn how to use keywords naturally, optimize website structure, and build backlinks. Plus, I'll introduce you to powerful free tools like Google Search Console and Uber Suggest to start practicing right away. Great content is more than words on a page. It's about delivering real value, solving problems, and building long-term relationships with your audience. We'll talk about how to create blog posts, videos, infographics, and guides that not only attract attention, but also keep people coming back to your brand. Social media is where your audience hangs out daily, and if you use it strategically, not just to promote, but to engage, you can build a loyal community that supports your business growth. We'll cover how to create content for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, how algorithms work, and how to run simple but effective ad campaigns. Despite the rise of newer platforms, email marketing remains one of the most profitable and personalized channels for marketers, with the highest return on investment. We'll learn how to build an email list from scratch, craft subject lines that get clicks, and automate your campaigns using tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. When you want fast results, paid ads can drive traffic and conversions almost instantly, but only if done right. I'll show you how to set up your first Google ad or Meta ad, define your audience, write compelling copy, and track performance using real data. In digital marketing, every click, scroll, and bounce tells a story. And when you understand analytics, you gain the power to refine your strategies and make smarter decisions. You'll learn to navigate Google Analytics, read key metrics, and build simple reports to measure success or report to clients. One of the best ways to learn digital marketing is by doing. So start by helping a small business, your own project, or a friend, and turn that experience into a powerful portfolio. We'll discuss how to document your work, create a personal website, write case studies, and position yourself for freelancing, internships, or full-time jobs. There are countless free tools and learning platforms waiting for you. Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, and Coursera all offer top-quality, beginner-level certifications to help you stand out. We'll go over which courses to take, how long they take, and which ones offer certificates you can proudly add to your LinkedIn or resume. Let's review everything you've learned, from understanding what digital marketing is, to mastering SEO, content, email, social media, paid ads, and analytics. You now have the full picture. Choose one skill to start with. Dedicate time daily and focus on building small wins, because digital marketing is a skill that compounds over time. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment with your questions. I'd love to help you grow. Your digital marketing journey starts now, so take that first step, stay consistent, and remember, every expert was once a beginner, just like you.